Chapter 3 Circular Economy Specific Communication Tool. The Cradle to Cradle Products Innovation Institute is a global nonprofit dedicated to transforming the safety, health, and sustainability of products through the Cradle to Cradle Certified Product Standard. It guides designers and manufacturers through a continual improvement process through 5 categories: material health, material reutilization, renewable energy and carbon management, water stewardship, and social fairness. In each category, the product receives an achievement level of basic, bronze, silver, gold, or platinum. The lowest achievement level will represent the product's overall mark, bronze in this case. Cradle to Cradle also provides a communication strategy tool that helps diagnose the dominant value priorities and interests of business stakeholders. It suggests the value propositions within the vision that best aligns with their needs. This tool is implemented in an Excel sheet that the interested company could fill in. It requires knowledge about 5 organizational aspects: character, leadership, cohesion, emphasis, and rewards. The tool then prompts to divide 10 points between the 4 statements within each category to indicate how closely the organization resembles them. Then, according to the points assigned, the tool calculates 4 values corresponding to 4 different organization cultures: human relations, open systems, rational goal, and internal process. It depicts them in an spider map. The Circle Assessment Tool is an online survey that evaluates the circularity in a company. This self-assessment tool helps businesses understand the different operational and organizational aspects of the circular economy, following 7 key elements: prioritize regenerative resources, preserve and extend what's already been made, use waste as a resource, design for the future, collaborate to create joint value, rethink the business model, and incorporate digital technology. The tool provides to what extent the company is implementing circularity in 6 categories: collaborate, innovate, reduce, cycle, lead, and extend. Each category receives a punctuation from 0 to 100, and a total score of 0 to 100 is provided. The Material Circularity Indicator evaluates the material flow and the lifespan of products, materials, parts, or subassemblies, comparing them with other similar products. It compares the weight of the components, the portion of mass from recycled, reused sources, and the portion of mass to be recycled and reused at the end of the life of the product. It assesses the product's circularity, rating it between 0 and 1. The closer to 1, the more circular a product is. A number is an easy data to understand and to compare with other similar products. The Circularity Indicator is the KATCH project's adaptation to MCI. The result it provides is also a number between 0 and 1, being 1 the most circular result. Each of the components of the product under study is computed separately, taking into account the different materials that it may be composed of, as well as their origin, destination, and repair possibility. Recover and repair loops are taken into account, as well as the possibility that the material goes to landfill at the end of its life. A transport correction has been added, which modifies the results according to starting material and depending on its destination at the end of its useful life. Next, we will introduce some communication tools that are specific to the furniture and construction sectors. Within the furniture sector, EEB, the European Environmental Bureau, in its report Circular Economy Opportunities in the Furniture Sector, prompts to define a green furniture mark. It is a new A to G rating instrument similar to the European Union Energy Label, with the intention of providing consumers and procurement professionals with clearer information on the environmental and circularity features of furniture products. Within the construction sector, the Sustainability Assessment Method, BREEAM, measures sustainable value in 9 categories, which are subdivided into a range of assessment issues, each with its own aim, target, and benchmarks: materials, energy, waste, health and well-being, management, land use and ecology, water, transport, and pollution. Its ratings are acceptable, pass, good, very good, excellent, and outstanding. They are reflected in a series of stars on the BREEAM certificate. The Green Building Rating System LEED applies to buildings that are being newly constructed or going through a major renovation. Buildings are rated according to several categories: sustainable sites, water efficiency, indoor environmental quality, materials and resources, energy and atmosphere, innovation and design, and awareness and education. Based on the number of points achieved, a project then earns one of the 4 LEED rating levels: certified, silver, gold, or platinum. Levels is a voluntary reporting framework to improve the sustainability of buildings. Using existing standards, Levels provides an EU-wide approach to assessing environmental performance in the built environment. It encourages life cycle thinking for the whole building by offering a step-by-step approach to life cycle assessment. BAM project is working on materials passports with the purpose of creating ways to increase the value of building materials. Materials passport databases contain data about compositions and components, modularity of a product, prefabrication versus assembly on-site comparisons, etc. Reports in BAM would improve the decision-making during building adaptations. Examples of national level certifications are Austrians Green Planet Building, OGMB, and Klimaaktiv. Also Portuguese Lidera and German DGMB. You can visit their websites by clicking on the icons. Assignment 8. Evaluate the product in Assignment 3, Cabinet Becomes Sofa, using the following communication tools: Circle Assessment Tool, Material Circularity Indicator, and Circular Indicator. Summarize the results of the 3 tools. For further information and complete references, please consult the full text of the module.